Okay, very nice. So no point in sending you guys homework, right? So अब से हम homework भेजेंगे ही नहीं जब आपको करना ही नहीं है. Okay, let's move on further. And are you guys free on Saturday?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Father Deborah.
Yes, sir.
Sir, in the morning, yes.
In the morning you are available. Morning what timings?
Before 4 anytime, sir.
Before 4 anytime. Okay, so 6:30 IST. So shall we keep a class at, let's keep a class at 1 p.m. IST? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, 1 p.m. IST? Fadal, Deborah, Lisa?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I'm sending you a message on chat. Please respond to that, okay? Okay, please respond to the chat. Fadal, you also need to reply on chat. Okay. Right, we need extra classes to complete the syllabus, okay? So we are scheduling this. Do not miss the class, okay? We'll be moving forward with the syllabus. If you miss the class, you will miss topics, okay? So there is another property, property 7, I guess, okay, according to us. 0 to 2a f of x dx is equals to 0 to a f of x dx plus 0 to a f of 2a minus x dx, right? Now what happens when we have first case, if f of 2a minus x is f of x itself, right? The function repeats itself. Then 0 to 2a f of x will be equal to 2 times 0 to a f of x dx. Okay, because this function itself will become f of x, so 2 times f of x will be the answer. Second case, if f of 2a minus x is negative of f of x, then this 0 to 2a f of x dx will be equal to 0. The integration will become 0. Okay. Note it down. Okay, so try to solve one question using this property. 0 to 2 pi cos to the power 5x dx. Okay, use the previous property and you'll get the answer very easily. Okay, Fadil, Devura, Aliza, you can do this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Correct answer, Aliza. Devura, Fadil, did you solve this?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
Says it's 0.
Yes, 0. Devura, the answer is not 8 upon 15. See, f of x is cos raised to the power 5x. Let's calculate f of 2a minus x, which is 2 pi minus x. So cos 2 pi minus x to the power 5. Deborah, what is cos 2 pi minus theta? Don't know. Cos 2 pi minus theta is cos theta itself. So it is cos x. So again, the function is repeating itself. So we can say 0 to 2a f of x dx is equals to 2 times 0 to a f of x. So this means 0 to 2 pi cos 5 to the power x dx is equals to 2 times 0 to pi cos 5x dx. Cos to the power 5x dx. Now we can use this property again in this integration, right? If this is f of x, then let's calculate f of 2a minus x, which is f of pi minus x. So cos of pi minus x to the power 5. And pi minus theta is negative cos theta. So we can say this is negative of f of x. So this integration will be equal to 0. Okay, Deborah?
Yes, sir.
All right. Got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
All right, one more question. Prove that 0 to pi by 2 log of sin x dx is equals to 0 to pi by 2 log of cos x dx is equal to negative pi by 2 log 2. Okay. Solving it, Aliza, Deborah.
Then solving.
Okay. Solving. Okay. Just using properties and you can find the answers. Aliza, do you need me to solve this or you can try this at home?
Sir, I can try.
Okay. So the next important property is, first let me give you one introduction to even functions. Does anyone know what is even function? See, if
Sir, how many properties are there?
one or two more properties, okay? That's
And
it.
the chapter will be finished or
Yes, then chapter will be over, okay?
no?
So what is even function? Even function is if f of negative x is equal to f of x itself, then function is a even function. मतलब क्या, x के जगह आप नेगेटिव x रख दो एंड देख लो क्या मिलता है आपको, ठीक है? फॉर एन एग्जांपल, सपोज f of x is x square. Let's figure out f of negative x. So negative x square, which is x square, which is f of x, okay? So this means this function x square is a even function, okay? All right.
Yes, sir.
And what is odd function? If f of negative x is equal to negative of f of x, then function is a odd function. For an example, f of x is equal to x cube, then f of negative x is negative x cube, which is negative of f of x. So it is a odd function. Now remember, a function does not have to be even or odd, ठीक है? कोई तीसरी चीज भी हो सकती है वो. हर फंक्शन जरूरी नहीं है कि odd हो या even हो. It can be either even or odd or nothing. Okay?
Sir, तीसरी चीज what?
Sorry?
Would be mean by तीसरी चीज भी हो सकती है.
अलीना, आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही मुझे.
Sir, what do you mean by तीसरी चीज भी हो सकती है?
तीसरी चीज भी हो सकती है मतलब वो जरूरी नहीं है कि इवन हो या ऑड हो, राइट? कुछ फंक्शंस ऑड होते हैं, कुछ फंक्शंस इवन होते हैं, ठीक है? तीसरी चीज मतलब ये दोनों जो नहीं होता. फॉर एन एग्जांपल, अगर मैं आपको एग्जांपल दिखाऊं, सपोज f of x is x plus x square upon sin x plus cos x, ठीक है? तो यहाँ f of नेगेटिव x निकालेंगे हम, तो क्या होगा? नेगेटिव x प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन साइन ऑफ नेगेटिव x इज माइनस साइन x प्लस कॉस ऑफ नेगेटिव x इज कॉस x. तो यहाँ आप देख सकते हो ना नेगेटिव बाहर आ रहा है, ना सेम फंक्शन रिपीट हो रहा है, राइट? ये अलग ही फंक्शन बन गया, राइट?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is neither odd nor even. Okay,
yes sir.
बस ऑड एंड इवन कैसे चेक करेंगे, नेगेटिव एक्स और देख लेंगे कि सेम फंक्शन है या नेगेटिव बाहर आ गया. ओके, राइट इट डाउन. All right, then next property is based on this. Okay, I think that's the eighth property. The property says if you have integration from minus a to a f of x dx, then this is either 2 times 0 to a f of x dx. This is when f of x is an even function. Okay, and this becomes 0 when f of x is an odd function. All right, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very simple. Check if the function is even. Fadil, you are back and you are saying yes, sir. Did you see
Yes,
when
I understood.
you understood? Okay.
Yes, sir.
See this, how to check even and odd. If you put negative x and you get function back itself, then it is a even function. Okay.
Hmm. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you get negative of f of x, then it is a odd function. Okay.
Odd function. Yes, sir.
So check if the function is even. If it is even, then 2 times 0 to f of x. If it is odd, then directly you can write 0. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So note it down. All right. So based on this, solve a question. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sine to the power 7x dx. Okay. All right, how to solve this? Let's check if this function is even or odd. Whenever you see minus a to a, always check for this. So f of x is sine to the power 7x. Let's check f of negative x. So it will be sine negative x to the power 7. So it will be negative sine 7x, which is negative of f of x. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So when it is an odd function, the answer is 0. So integration minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sine 7x dx will be equal to 0, because f of x is a odd function. Clear, Fadil?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. One more question. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sine square x dx. Okay. Solve it, anyone?
One second, sir.
Okay. Yes, Fadil, that is the correct answer. Aliza,
Yes,
Deborah.
sir.
Okay. Not sure. The answer is pi by 2. Okay. You can see this is an odd function, right? So odd function, we can write this is 2 times 0 to pi by 2 sine square x dx. And if this is I, then you can write I equals to 2 times 0 to pi by 2. You can use this property as sine square pi by 2 minus x dx. 0 to a f of x dx is 0 to a f of a minus x dx, right? This property we can use. So this is 2 times 0 to pi by 2 cos square x dx. This is suppose equation 1, this is equation 2. If you add these two, then you will get 2i equals to 2 times 0 to pi by 2 sine square x plus cos square x dx. So 2 and 2 we can cancel. So I equals to integration 0 to pi by 2 1 dx. So x 0 to pi by 2, so pi by 2. Okay, clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, one more question. Minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 x cube sine to the power 4 x dx. Okay, Got the answer, anyone?
No,
Yes
sir.
or no? Fadil, is it an odd function or even function? Is it an odd function or even function? Odd. So whenever you have odd function like this, the answer is how much? Zero. So the answer is zero. Okay. Aliza, clear? Deborah?
That's it, sir.
Yes, that is it. You just have to
Oh,
write
yeah.
f of x is a odd function. So integration minus a to a f of x dx is 0. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin x mod x. Please find the answer to this question.
Sir,
Yes.
is the answer 2?
Okay. How did you calculate this? How you got the answer?
Sir, putting values.
Putting values. Is it an even function or odd function?
Sir, we have to do that way.
Yes. Always find using that. Whenever you see minus a to a, find if the function
Yeah.
is even or odd. Okay. So whenever you have mod, then obviously this is a even function. You can find sine of negative x
Yes.
mod. So it is sine x itself, right? So it is a even function. So we can write 0
Even
to pi by
function.
2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sine x dx. Because 0 to pi by 2, sine x is always positive. So we can open the modulus like this. So integration of sine x is minus cos x.
Minus cos x, yes, sir.
0 to pi by 2. Okay. So when you put pi by 2, you'll get minus cos pi by 2 minus cos 0. Okay. So the answer is this. I did something wrong, I think. It is 2 times. Okay. All
Yes,
right.
sir.
So this way we can
Yes, sir.
calculate this. Okay. Deborah. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this topic is over. Okay. अब देखो इंटीग्रेशन में आप जितना प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतना आप बेटर होंगे, उतना आपको फॉर्मूला याद होगा. आई नो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ फॉर्मूलास. ओके. So you have to memorize them. Otherwise, there is no point. Next chapter is application of integrals. Okay, application of integrals. All right. Now, definite integration gives you area under curve. Okay. I've told you previously also. If you are doing, suppose f of x dx, this is y dx. So what you do is you take a point at a distance x. So this is f of x and dx, that means the small width. So what you do is you divide this whole part into small rectangles. Okay. Now integration means you are adding up all the area of these rectangles. How? F of x means this height. Let's take the last one to be clear. F of x means this value of y, height, and dx is this width. Area of rectangle is length into breadth. So y dx. Now if I add this area plus this area plus this area, every area, then I'll get the whole area from a to b. So this is how definite integration gives you area under curve. Okay. All right, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
So remember this. Whenever finding area, case 1, when limits are in x coordinate, that means the graph is like this. So limits, upper limit and lower limit are in x coordinate, then area is integration y dx from a to b. This dx will be there when limits are in a to b in x-axis. Okay. Case 2, when limits are in y coordinate, then area will be a to b x dy. The graph will be like this. This is A and B. So if the coordinates of limits is in y coordinate, then you have to write x dy. What this means is you have to convert the function into x. मतलब क्या होता है, हम एक एक क्वेश्चन में समझ जाएंगे. Just write it down. Okay, just write it down. Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write down equation of a circle. Okay. In this chapter, you are going to need the coordinate geometry that you did in class 11th. The equations of all the functions. Okay. Circle, ellipse, hyperbola, parabola, etc. So please remember all of this. I'm going to discuss every equation. So if there is a circle with center a comma b and radius r, then the equation of this circle is, can anyone tell me what will be the equation of this circle? The equation of this circle is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equals to r square, where a comma b is center and r is equals to radius. Okay, Remember this, whenever you have center and radius, you can find the equation of circle. All right?
Yes, sir.
Note it down. Okay. Write down one question. Find the area of the circle x square plus y square equals to a square using integration. Okay. The first step in this chapter is always draw a rough diagram. Can anyone tell me what will be the center and radius here? What is the center and the radius here?
Zero is the center.
0, 0, right? This is x minus 0 square plus y minus 0 square equals to a square. So origin is the center. What is radius?
A.
A. So we have to draw a circle where center is origin and radius is a. Okay. We have to find this area, and they have mentioned using integration 1 नाम pi r square तो लिख ही देते. We have to find the area. Now remember, always find the easiest first. What I mean by this is we can find this area and multiply by 4 to get the whole area. Yes or no? Can we do that?
Sir, can you repeat?
Yes, I'm saying the total area can we find using, suppose this is capital A, O, B. Can I write area of circle is 4 times area of AOB,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes.
Now let's try to find this area AOB. Okay, and how we do this? 4 times integration. This coordinate is 0, this coordinate is A. So 0 to A, we have put the limit in x coordinate. So we will write y dx. Is it clear what I said?
Sir, to find the x coordinate.
Right, see, in the previously we said when limits are in x coordinate, you will write integration y dx, right? So we are trying to find this area, and the coordinates we put, this is 0 and this is A. So this is x axis, right? X coordinates we have put as limits. Yes or no? तो ये बात समझ में आ रही है? अलीजा, देबुरा?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's find y. Very simply, the equation is x square plus y square equals to a square. So y square we can write a square minus x square. Y we can write root a square minus x square. Just replace the value. 4 times 0 to a. Y is root a square minus x square dx. Okay. Now do you remember this formula, Devura? Root a square minus x square. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Couldn't hear you.
Do you know this formula, integration of root a square minus x square? This is x by 2 root e square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a,
X by A.
right? And this is from 0 to a. So now,
Sir,
yes,
sir, I got disconnected. Can
okay,
repeat
sorry.
from the second step?
All right. This step is clear, y dx.
Yes, sir.
Now we have this equation x square plus y square equals to a square. इसी का एरिया निकालना है हमें. So what we'll do, we'll find the value of y using this equation. तो हमने क्या करा, y square equals to a square minus x square. So y equals to root a square minus x square. Okay? तो
Yes.
यहाँ y की वैल्यू वो रिप्लेस कर दी. अब इसका फॉर्मूला आपको याद होना चाहिए, which is x by 2 root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by a. बड़ा बड़ा फॉर्मूला जो था 4. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So 4 times, now we'll put the upper limit first. So a by 2 root a square minus a square plus a square by 2 sin inverse a by a minus, अब 0 रखेंगे तो 0 into anything is 0 plus sin 0 is also 0. ठीक है? So 4 times a square minus a square is 0 plus a square by 2 sin inverse 1 is how much? Sin inverse 1 pi by 2. sin कब 1 होता है? pi by 2 में. Okay? So 4 times pi a square by 4. So pi a square. All right. So the area of a circle is pi a square, right? Pi r square.
Yes, sir.
So this is how we can find area of any curve in this world using integration. Okay? Please note it down. Done, everyone? Okay.